this challenge is the Cognitive Learning Systems Challenge. So it's about taking cognitive technology and applying it in the space of learning. The cognitive technology is all about non-traditional data types. So we hope that we can use this kind of technology to improve people's chances of learning and to radically change the way that learning happens using technology. IBM Watson is our cognitive part of the IBM Corporation. It's quite new. We've been going for just under 2 years now, and we're applying this very new technology into lots of different industries. And one of the things we find is that we don't have all of the experience in some of these industries. So we're looking for this challenge really to bring people who know much more about education than we do and to come up with new innovative ideas about how you could use the technology that big companies like IBM perhaps wouldn't think of. So in IBM Watson, we're doing a huge amount of work with startups. We recognise that to get this new type of technology accepted in the marketplace, we need all sorts of different people using it. We're obviously very good at doing lots of things with it. We've got lots of ideas, but we're looking to expand the reach of this and get access to new communities, different types of people with new ideas, so that we can expand the work we've already done and reach out to people who've got those different approaches and perspectives on life. So we can offer a lot to this. Obviously, we're the experts in the technology, so we have lots of people who understand the technology, who can work with the people in the challenge and help them, mentor them, explain the capabilities and how the things could be used. We also offer access to the technology itself. So a lot of the IBM Watson technologies are available on the developer cloud, so people can use that and we can give access to that so that they can build systems and explore the potential of the capability. We have APIs available on the cloud that allow you to build systems that answer questions using natural language. We have APIs that allow you to process images, see what the contents of an image is. So if it's somebody skiing on a mountain, you can see it's a skier on a mountain. We have APIs to allow speech, to recognize speech and to generate speech. It's a huge variety of different types of technology, all available through a developer cloud. So we can provide access to the technology on a broader basis, not just to the education challenge, but the other ones within the Intelligent Data Insight Challenge. And we can provide people the access to the technology through the data cloud. There's a free tier which people can use, so it helps them to explore the potential of the technology in all sorts of different areas. So one of the interesting areas, I think, is the combination of the different services. We have question and answer, we have image recognition, face recognition, speech generation, API which actually looks at personality types, so takes some text that you've written and infers a personality type. Some of the most interesting examples we've seen are where people have pieced together some of these different APIs to complete a solution. On their own, they're interesting, but when you combine them, really interesting. So the other thing we're really looking for here is people with insight into the education space. So if you've got deep expertise and insight around learning and education, that could really differentiate your bid. And we're really looking for things which demonstrate that expertise and feel that it's something that could really work and shows something a bit more than a superficial insight of the space. So the advice I would give to applicants is be bold. Right? We're looking for really interesting ideas. We're looking for unusual things that attract the attention which you wouldn't normally think of doing. So really interesting, insightful things which get people thinking, I wouldn't normally have thought of doing that. That's a really cool idea. I'm really excited about this challenge. I think it's going to be fantastic. I'm really looking forward to see what people from different backgrounds bring to it and what they do with our technology. I'm really, really excited by it.